Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. Today we have a 2005 Acura TSX, and it came in for a motor mount, fuel injection cleaning, transmission service. And one of the things I noticed, there was no holder for the battery. So it's important to have a holder for the battery. You don't want the battery to be bouncing around. It has lead acid plates inside of it, and those plates are not designed to be jiggling around to make the battery fail prematurely. So I'll show you what we got. Here's a picture I got that shows a generic lead acid battery, and it shows the little plates inside there and the little dividers in between this. But when the battery bangs around, these things get loose and shooken up, and it damages them and makes the battery fail prematurely. So the battery is designed to be held stable. So they have the one bolt on this side. Of course it's not tight because on the other side they lost a bolt or a broke or whatever, and they put a zip tie to hold the battery down. So what this is allowing to have happen is every time that you hit a bump, this battery, we'll see how the cable just came off, the whole battery just jumps around. And it's not supposed to jump around. Then it also slides around. And one of the things that can happen from it moving around and jumping around, it can come off like that. So we're waiting for a new bolts coming from the dealer today, because these bolts are different lengths for the front and the back. And you can see the one there, but this one is a different length than the one in the front. So that'll be here in a few minutes. Then we'll properly support that. I'll clean these up and retighten that so it doesn't fall off. And that's the purpose of having a battery hold down. And it's just pretty hilarious when the manufacturer's engineer to build a vehicle and design a vehicle, they design it with that holder to keep that battery stable. And so many technicians and people on the weekend and people changing batteries don't see any importance of the holder. The holder is very important. Please use it. Thank you very much.